Hello, it's Russell Guard here from Forward Prosperity Finance and Mortgage Brokerage. Today I'm presenting Refinancing 101, providing you a simple, step-by-step guide to help you decide if refinancing your home loan or existing debts makes sense for you. At Forward Prosperity, we are experts in helping clients refinance their debts. And in this presentation, I will clearly explain what a refinance is, as well as take you through the key risks and benefits that you should consider when it comes to refinancing. So, to start off, what is refinancing? Refinancing means replacing your existing debts or home loans with a brand new loan, usually with a different lender or with different loan terms. The goal of a refinance is almost always to improve your financial position. Common objectives of a refinance are to save money on interest, reduce your monthly repayments, or access your equity for any personal or business objectives such as making renovations, purchasing an investment property, or even starting your very own business. Let me now show you a quick refinancing example. An individual has a loan of $700,000 at an interest rate of 8.2% per annum. At 8.2%, the total annual interest cost is roughly $57,400. Now consider a successful refinance where a new lender provides exactly the same loan amount, however this time with a lower interest rate of just 6% per annum. This new loan amount will still be $700,000. However, the new interest rate will now only be 6% per annum. This brand new 6% per annum rate means the new annual interest cost is just $42,000. This represents a saving of over $15,000 per year purely just on interest rate charges by refinancing onto a better, lower interest rate. The benefit of refinancing is that it allows you to simplify your finances and also save each year on interest. As you can imagine, over time, even small savings in annual interest can really add up to be big savings and well into the hundreds of thousands of dollars over a 10 to 20 year time frame. Why consider refinancing? There are a few key reasons people refinance their existing debts. Firstly, you could access lower interest rates with potentially a 0.5 to 1% drop, saving you tens of thousands of dollars over the life of the loan. Secondly, you can consolidate your debts, such as credit cards, car loans, or personal loans, into your home loan for a more efficient setup and potentially lower interest rates. And thirdly, you could access equity in your home through an equity cash out, taking some of the value you've built up in your home and using it for a variety of reasons, including renovations, investments, education, medical costs, or any other personal or business objectives you may have. When is it the right time to refinance? Timing definitely matters with respect to refinancing. Here are 3 important considerations for you to keep in mind when considering refinancing your debts. Number 1, lending market conditions. When the Reserve Bank of Australia cuts interest rates or signals incoming interest rate cuts, lenders usually follow quickly by offering lower interest rates. Number 2, improved credit score. If you've been making consistent repayments over many years and your credit score has strengthened over time, you could qualify for better, lower interest rates. And number 3, a change in your financial goals or objectives. It could be a great time to refinance if your financial goals have changed. For example, perhaps you are looking to start a family, invest in residential or commercial property, or even start your very own business. Refinancing when your life goals and objectives change can realign your home loan with your new objectives. If your current interest rate feels a little too high, your credit score is strong, or your life objectives have changed, now is probably a good time to consider refinancing your existing debts. Potential costs to consider. Refinancing isn't free, so let's now consider the different costs that are involved when you refinance. Firstly, application and appraisal costs. Lenders may charge anywhere from $200 to $600 for loan processing, plus you could also see up to $500 in fees for a property valuation. If you are currently on a fixed-rate loan term, you would also incur a fixed-rate break fee for breaking your fixed-rate loan term early. When refinancing out of one loan, you may also incur discharge and deregistration fees, potentially anywhere from $300 to $800 to close out the old loan. And finally, your time investment is another cost you will need to take on as part of a refinance. To attain a refinance of your existing debts or any other type of finance, you will need to gather respective documents, compare options, and of course, sign the paperwork. At Forward Prosperity, we are happy to provide our finance and mortgage brokerage services to make the entire refinancing process straightforward and easy. Here are some key reasons why you should choose Forward Prosperity to refinance your existing debts. Number 1, expert guidance. Using our finance and mortgage brokerage services, at Forward Prosperity, we compare a range of lenders to find the best interest rates and best terms for you, saving you both time and money. Number 2, highly personalized service. At Forward Prosperity, we take immense pride in having a complete understanding of our client's financial position and objectives. Once we have a clear understanding of your financial position and of your personal and business objectives, we then tailor-make a finance structure to your exact financial scenario, meaning the finance we propose will take into account all of your objectives and concerns. And number 3, streamlined processes. In our line of business, we specialize in finance and mortgage brokerage. That means we can handle the paperwork, valuations, and follow-ups, saving you weeks and potentially even months worth of your time. At Forward Prosperity, we make refinancing simple, fast, and focused on delivering a professional service that is always in your best interest. If you're thinking about refinancing or even just interested in whether refinancing could save you money, let's have a no-obligations conversation. At Forward Prosperity, we offer a completely free, no-obligation consultation where we will review your current finances, assess your current financial position, and tell you honestly if refinancing makes sense for you. Connect with us today by sending an email to info@forwardprosperity.com or visit our website to book a free assessment at www.forwardprosperity.com. Thank you so much for watching this presentation, and I look forward to helping you refinance your existing debts and help you build a strong financial future.